Hey coffee table enthusiasts, welcome back. Today we are taking coffee table decor to a whole new level. Get ready to be amazed as we transform a broken glass into a stunning center table piece. It's time to unleash your creativity and make your coffee table the talk of the town. See this broken glass in my hand? Actually, these were two glasses that were broken while I was working in the kitchen. I was cooking and suddenly I heard a crash behind me. I turned and saw these two glasses fallen on table. Firstly, I thought of throwing them in the bin, but then I had an idea, and we are going to work on that idea today. I am going to coat one side of clay with glue and then I'm going to put it on the sharp edge of the glass and stick it on glass. When you are working with broken glass, I suggest please be careful while working because if you aren't, you are going to have your fingers all cut up. We are going to give impressions to the clay now, and for that I am using clay stick. I am going to put the clay stick on the clay, then press it down, sometimes drag it so that clay can have the impressions of a bark. It would look like the branch of a tree. If you are new on my channel, I'm really glad to have you here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. If there's anything that's confusing for you, feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'm going to answer all your questions. Give impressions to all the edges of the glass in the same way, and I wish you could see the impressions. It really looks like the branch of a tree. Here I have cut 10 to 12 pieces of 6 centimeters long wires and the gauge of this wire is 22. I am going to make branches with these small branches and I've already wrapped them with green floral tape. I have cut 10 to 12 pieces of wire, but you can cut as many as you need for this project and put a dot of glue on the end of the wire and then insert the wire in the clay. Remember, the clay shouldn't be fully dried up because if it dries up fully, it's going to toughen up, it's going to be so hard, nothing is going to penetrate in it. Okay folks, I haven't given any color to the clay, but this is completely optional. If you want to add color in the clay, you can. And this glass is ready. I have already inserted wires. Leave it to dry and we are going to work on the other glass. I told you in the beginning there were two glasses. This glass is completely dry and already made. All the wires are inserted in it and now we are going to decorate this one. So now I am going to paint the clay with burnt umber color and this is water based acrylic color I am using. I don't use oil based acrylic paints. So our paint on the clay is dry now and we are going to decorate it with clover leaves. Yes, these are clover leaves. I think at the right side you could see the picture of the leaves. I had seen those and then I have made them in ribbon. The common concept is clover leaves are only in green color, and I myself thought so too. But now you and me, we all know that clover leaves can be colorful too. That's why I have put the picture here so that you can know why I had made and chosen these colors for making clover leaves. Put a dot of hot glue at the end of the clover leaf and then stick it on the already stuck wire and hold it with tongs for a while so that it can stick properly. You know, I have immensely enjoyed turning this broken glass into a center table piece. It was so rewarding to see a completely wasted thing turned into a thing of beauty. Don't you think so? If you think so, tell me in the comment section below. I would love to know your opinion. Fill all the branches up with clover leaves. Okay folks, now we are going to put this nest with 3 eggs on the main round branch, and this nest, these eggs, these are all handmade. I made the eggs with clay, and in my coming up videos we are going to make all the things we are using here. So don't worry about anything. We are going to make clover leaves, we are going to weave the nest, we are going to make the eggs, and of course we are going to make the mother of the eggs. I mean a sparrow. We are going to put a sparrow here too. She is lovely, isn't she? This is white zebra finch, and I have sculpted it with clay, and we are going to sculpt it in the coming up video as well. So stay tuned and don't miss those videos, and tell me you want one video but that would be a long video, or you want two videos. I can make two videos and we can do all the things we have used here. It looks stunning, doesn't it? Well, it's almost complete, but there are two or more things we have to do before it's fully complete. I am going to stick one or two clover leaves at the lower portion of the glass to make it look more natural, because I have always said where there are flowers, there are fallen flowers too. It's complete now, and now we are going to put it on the coffee table and see its full impact. Now you see it. I have put a candle in it. You can use it as a candle holder or you can use it as a center table piece. It's up to you what you want to do. And I have also put two candles beside it, and this is how it looks now.